all of a sudden it was just bam. And I've had migraine headaches before, and it was nothing like that. And I was so happy. I had everything in life that I wanted. I was head of the department, and I had just walked out the door that day, and I never, ever returned.
Our hope with this is that we're ultimately going to be able to get this thing to more people that have this condition.
I hope so. I hope nobody ever has to go through anything like this.
During the night, my face began to swell, began to turn blood red. These snakes were crawling all over my head, and it felt like they were crawling with balls of fire underneath them, and on top they were carrying razor blades, and they were just shredding half of my skull and my eye socket and my cheekbone and down the side of my face and my jaw and half of my nose, and then they would just jump straight into the pupil of my eye. I was totally non-functioning. I could do nothing. I spent almost 21 months in that bed. There was not enough medicine that I could swallow that would make it stop hurting. Nothing. But finally it came surgery day on September the 20th, and when I woke up, the pain was not at a 3. It was gone. Gone. I have absolutely no pain at all whatsoever. It was just like going to sleep in hell and waking up in heaven.